How to get the most out of Patreon for free? Did you know you can access real Patreon content without spending a single dollar? There are completely legitimate ways to enjoy Patreon, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it the right way. Welcome back, I'm Daniel, and today we're covering every official and honest method to get value from Patreon without paying. No scams, no hacks, just real tips that actually work. Let's get into it. Method 1. Join a free membership tier. Many Patreon creators offer a completely free membership tier on their page. This gives you access to selected posts, community updates, and sometimes exclusive content the creator shares only with members. To find it, go to any creator's Patreon page and look for a free tier before the paid ones. If it's there, just click Join for free. No payment details required whatsoever. Method 2. Start a free trial. Some creators offer an official 7-day free trial on their paid tiers. When a creator has this enabled, instead of seeing a Join Now button, you'll see a Start Free Trial button on their page. You enter your payment details, but you will not be charged anything until the trial ends. You get full access to that tier's content for the entire trial period. Just make sure to cancel before the 7 days are up if you don't want to be charged, and you can do that easily from your account settings under memberships. Method 3. Follow the creator on their free platforms. Most Patreon creators also post free content regularly on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or their own websites. A huge amount of their work is available there completely free. Follow them across their social media channels, and you'll get a steady stream of their best content without paying anything. Method 4. Watch for special promotions. Creators occasionally run limited time offers where they open up paid content for free, run discount promotions, or celebrate milestones by unlocking posts publicly. Follow your favorite creators on social media so you never miss those windows when they happen. Method 5. Explore public posts. Even without joining, every Patreon page has some posts marked as public that anyone can read or watch for free. Visit the creator's page and scroll through. Public posts are clearly labeled and fully accessible without an account. Pro tip: when you join a free membership tier, there is no commitment or pressure to upgrade. According to Patreon's official help center, you can stay as a free member for as long as the creator offers it and for as long as you like. No obligation, no hidden charges. So to recap, look for free tiers. Grab a free trial if available, follow creators on their other platforms, watch for special promotions, and check public posts. 5 completely legitimate ways to enjoy Patreon content without spending a penny. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tips just like this one. Got a creator you love on Patreon? Drop their name in the comments, I'd love to check them out. It's been Daniel, see you in the next one.